Hello and welcome to RLRX Network. I'm your friend, and in this amazing and unique videos I will teach you how you can use do while loop in VBA. Alright, so actually do while loop can do for you if you pass any condition in this, then it runs till when your condition meet. Alright, let's first understand with an example, then we will start to write its code. Alright, so for this, in sheet 2 I have taken some friends name of my, which is Rajesh, Radha, Sanjeet, Varun and Sunny, and here I have created a form control button over here. Alright, and if I will click on this, then see what is doing this code. Alright, it is generating serial number automatically against each and every name. Alright, see if I will add some extra name. Alright, let's see if I am typing test 1 or agent 1 or some Rahul. So what it will do, if I will click on this button again, then it will add serial number in continuous range. Alright, so how it is doing using VBA code of do while loop, let's learn. Alright, so for this, what will I do? I'll just click on developer tab, Visual Basic, and here I have written the do while loop code. Alright, so let's first understand, then we will start to write this code. So for this, here I have taken a sub name which is do while, and here I have putted a comments that would be this code we will use to insert serial number against name. Alright, and for this, here I have taken a simple variable which name is I and which data type is integer. You can also put or take any data type, let's say long, variant, double, any data type. Here I have taken integer data type, and I have assumed that I is equal to 1. Alright, and here r is equal to 1. Why I have taken r is equal to 1? Because in this sheet our data is starting from first row. That's why here I taken r is equal to 1. R means row. Alright, then here I have put a do while loop. So do while cells r comma 1 is not equal to blank. It means here I have filled something, anything in my cell. It means what will code this do? If in this cell have you written anything, then it will put the value of I in this cell. Here you can see, if R1 cell is not equal to blank, then what we need to do, just put R comma 2, it means first row second column, means B1 cell you need to put I value which is already 1. That's why I have taken here I is equal to 1. Alright, then after completing this 2 line code, it will run it again, then it will run R is equal to R plus 1. It means it will move to the next cell which is Radha, and it will get back to this line, and it will check that this cell is blank or not. If it is blank, then what it will do, that it will be put the is equal to I plus 1. It means last time we have taken the value of I is equal to 1, and it will add the value of I with 1. Alright, so it means it will write 2. So this code will run until in this cell you it not get any blank cell. Till then this code will run. Alright, so that's why this serial number is generating automatically. Alright, let's delete this code and run it again. So here you can see this is generating, and now let's start to write this code. So for this, here I will take a different subname. Let's say I'm taking this time do while loop. You can also put any subname, and I am using this comment so that I can save my time. And now this time I will declare a different variable name. Let's say I'm taking dim x as integer, and now I'm assuming that the x value is equal to 1 and the row is equal to 1 because our data is starting from first row. That's why I'm taking row is equal to 1, and put do while cells if r comma 1, it means first column and first row is not equal to blank, it means something filled, then what we need to do, cells r comma 2, yani it means first column and the first row and the second column need to put x value which is already 1. Then run this code again. So x is equal to x plus 1 and r is equal to r plus 1 and loop. So it will run this code until it not get any blank cell. All right, so this is how you can create this beautiful and unique code. All right, now just right click on this form control button and assign macro that is do while loop. All right, now let's delete this number and run this code. So here you can see the serial number is generating too easily. All right, so that's how you can create this VBA code and you can insert the serial number automatically using do while loop. So I hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, please like it. If you did not subscribe my channel still, please subscribe it. And if you have any query regarding this video, so you can just do the comments below of this video, and I will meet you in next video to teach you something another related VBA. All right, so we'll meet you in next video. Till then, goodbye.